Hello everybody. Having a bed liner in your pickup truck such as the 2020 Jeep Gladiator is great. Provides a lot of protection for the bed, kind of a grippy surface for things. But as I found, this surface can sometimes either scratch the items that are in here, or it actually isn't as sticky as you might think and doesn't really offer any sort of padding or anything. So I've ordered a rubber bed mat that I'm going to install into the bed of the truck. Installation's pretty simple. Just open it up and throw it in the bed. Definitely smells like rubber. I've had several of these in different pickup trucks I've had. Found that it works really well, even especially if you don't already have a bed liner. This works as a very good way to protect your pretty heavy duty. I've never really had an issue with them ever flying out of the bed, although I always have a tonneau cover or something on it to cover it up. But this really provides a good grippy surface, non-abrasive. Won't I mean, not that a lot of things you put back here matter that they get scratched, but you know, this can be pretty rough. Just depends on what you're putting back here, but I think it looks nice, provides a nice grippy surface. Things don't slide around as much. Keep this bin in here pretty much full time. Keeps a lot of recovery gear in here. With the tools, tow strap, a furniture pad from U-Haul, just in case I need to get on the ground. Provides a little bit more padding, especially if you're off-road. The ground can be rough. Got a LED light from Snap-on. It plugs into the outlet here in the bed. Extension cords. Mini air compressor. Something to help you be seen if you're on the side of a busy highway. Just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Good to have around. You can see, doesn't like to slide around a lot. In fact, it kind of does pull this a little bit, but actually got quite a bit of free play, more than some of the other ones I've owned, but it still fits. I think once you break it in, get the stuff on top of it a lot, it doesn't slide around as much. It's got a little bit of air under there because it hasn't really conformed yet, but over time that'll lay down nicely. But this is the main thing. Don't like stuff sliding around back here. So this particular Gladiator came with the Mopar trail rail system, which is very nice because you can adjust your tie down points. You also have your standard ones right here, but this is very nice.
Give you more options.
Still access it a little bit. That combined with the Mopar soft tonneau cover keeps everything pretty dry back here. Don't often get winter weather in Texas, but man, this sure has come in handy lately. think I'll keep it in here. Well, there you have it. The install of the heavy-duty rubber bed mat from Dee Zee for the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out more of our content. Consider like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Take care.